Today we are in the community of Cross Creek West. It is located in Fulshire, Texas, and this beautiful home that we're currently viewing is built by Newmark Homes. This is called The Lens. The Lens is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, a little under 3,000 square feet, and the price tag is going to be below the $500,000 range. Now, if you're interested in what school district these homes are going to be zoned to, they are zoned to Lamar Consolidated ISD. Now, the elementary schools is the community is so big that there are 2 elementary schools that are zoned to this community. So you'll need to double check to see which one your children will be zoned to. Those elementary schools are Huggins Elementary and Morgan Elementary. The middle school is Roberts. The junior high is called Dean Lehman, and the high school is Fulshire High School. Now, if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. And if you don't know who I am your Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you are interested in additional communities around the Houston metropolitan area, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Enjoy the rest of the tour.